Today, we're making one of my favorites, Arroz con Leche, for my guilty versus guilt-free series. For the guilt-free recipe, add your washed quinoa, milk, brown sugar, cinnamon, and vanilla extract to a saucepan over high heat and stir. Once it comes to a boil, immediately drop your heat to low, cover, and let this simmer for about 18 to 20 minutes. Uncover and check that the quinoa is cooked through. Refrigerate this overnight. Once ready, top it off with a little bit more cinnamon. This is the perfect weeknight sweet fix. Now, for the traditional, extremely guilty recipe, cook your rice with water and the lemon peels over medium heat, constantly stirring for 15 minutes. To this, now add your milk, evaporated milk, and cinnamon, and cook over very, very low heat for 20 minutes, constantly stirring. The moment you stop stirring, it'll stick and it'll get ruined, trust me. Now add in your condensed milk, cornstarch, and stir for another 15 minutes. Refrigerate this overnight. You can tell that this one is creamier and just guilty perfection. Now for the taste test. First up, we have our lighter, guilt-free version, and it's so good that I surprised myself. I can't believe this is healthy. Next is the original guilty version, and it's way better. No surprise here. Guilty is obviously where it's at.